I grab your arm hard to make you hit me, to make it hurt less, to even wait here. He's on my mind, he's my trouble. It's not right now. He's my burden. I talk loud, I push right back, but he's my trouble, my trouble. To ask me to hit him, to work out. Now he's so well I can see. Now he's so well I can see. Now he's so well I can see. He's my burden. Other women, they sing in the low key. They sing how to get here. I wish they could carry me over the waters, but I cannot see anything. This is a secret. You took me out here, brought a limb for me, and now he's so well I can see. Now he's so well I can see. Now he's so well I can see. He's my burden. Här gör jag en liten konstpaus för att jag glömde berätta för alla som spelar orkestern vilken låt som kommer. Så att nu kommer fortsättning på den här låten, vilken är bokstaven